Hello, everyone! Welcome to Easy English Daily. In today's lesson, you will learn 10 easy English sentences at the supermarket. And have fun!
I go to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket.
I like apples. I like apples.
I need some milk. I need some milk.
I buy bread. I buy bread.
These vegetables are fresh. These vegetables are fresh.
I want snacks. I want snacks.
How much is this? How much is this? I will pay now. I will pay now.
I am shopping. I am shopping. I finished shopping. I finished shopping. Great job today! Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to practice these sentences. Please like, subscribe, and join us English lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye!